Good morning, dear students. As you all know, today we are starting our chapter number 8. Chapter number 8 is about decimal numbers, right? Chapter number 8 is of decimals. See beta, in previous class also you have studied about the decimal numbers. आपने लास्ट क्लास में भी डेसिमल नंबर्स के बारे में स्टडी किया था. बट इन दिस, as you know, number line is the new topic for you all, right? Number line. So in this chapter also we will learn how to represent the numbers, the decimal numbers on the number line. कि आप डेसिमल नंबर्स को नंबर लाइन पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, राइट? सो फर्स्टली, if a number is like this, 4.5, right? This number is integral part. What we call this number? Integral part. And the number after the decimal is decimal part. The number after the decimal is decimal part, right? कोई भी नंबर हो बेटा 34.567, right? Same for this also. This is integral part, and this one is decimal part, right? And this is decimal. So by this you got that decimal represent by a dot. Decimal represent by a dot. The number which is at the left side of the decimal is integral part, and the number which is right side of the decimal is decimal part, right? Now one more, how you represent a number on number line? Number, and which is decimal number, not simple number. See, लास्ट चैप्टर में हमने फ्रैक्शंस को रिप्रेजेंट किया था. नाउ डेसिमल नंबर ऑन number line, right? So it will be like this. If a number is given to you 4.5, right? So हम फर्स्टली नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? हम नंबर लाइन ड्रॉ करने के लिए हम इंटीग्रल पार्ट लेंगे. विच वन वी टेक? इंटीग्रल पार्ट. 4 है, इट मीन्स वी विल ड्रॉ अ नंबर लाइन अप टू 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right? Now 4.5, it means 4 के बिटवीन हमें हाउ मैनी लाइन्स वी ड्रॉ? 10. बेटा लाइन्स जो होंगी बिटवीन दीज टू नंबर्स, आइदर दीज, जो भी आपको गिवन नंबर्स के अकॉर्डिंग लेनी है, उनके बीच में 10 ही लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हो आप. हाउ मैनी? 10 लाइन्स, राइट? वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है या फिर गिवन नंबर पे डिपेंड करता है. सी, यहाँ पे 5 है, सो आई विल पुट इट 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 1 this, राइट? सो ये 4.5 है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. इट मीन्स ये नंबर जो है हमारा डेसिमल नंबर वो यहाँ लाई कर रहा है. अगर ये नंबर होता आपका 35, 4.35, तो आप इस वन लाइन को 10 मानते हैं. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 एंड राइट. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट 35, इट मीन्स 30 और 40 के बीच में लाई करेगा. 10, 20, 30 एंड 40 in between of these two lines, बेटा हर लाइंस के बीच का जो गैप है वो 10 का होता है। अगर आप 30 और 40 के बीच में भी डिफरेंस करते हो तो वहाँ पे भी 10 लाइंस का गैप आता है। क्लियर माई पॉइंट? सो you have to just firstly remember about the integral part, and then when you start dividing the line, तब आपको किस चीज़ को याद करना है कि 10 पार्ट्स ही आएंगे लाइन के, आप उसको 10 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करो। 35 था तो 10 to 90 आई टेक, 5 था 1 to 9, if it becomes this then I will take 100 to 900, right? So this is the way to represent the number on the decimal numbers on the number line, right? You have to just do one thing. If after decimal one number, then divide by 10. After decimal two numbers, divide by 100. Clear? 3, then by. Now next is, come to the exercise. First question is, now these are the first question: 4 decimal 56, 3 decimal 25 and 8 decimal 32. We have to represent all these numbers on a number line, right? See, we are starting the number line from 0 to the given number, but in the decimal part हम क्या करेंगे? 4. Integral part is 4. So we will just draw a line 4 and 5. 4 or 5. Four and 5, right? By this arrow, it means we can extend from both the sides. So now 5 and 6 means 56. 2s की लाइन में है डेसिमल की बात, तो हम क्या करेंगे? विथ 4 decimal 10, 4 decimal 20, 4 decimal 30, 4 decimal 40, 4 decimal 50, 4 decimal 60, 4 decimal 70 means 4 decimal 80, 4 decimal 90, and the next will be 5, right? 10 to 90. Now 56 lies between 50 and 60. 56 कहाँ लाइज करेगा? 50 और 60 के बीच में. So in both the, I already told that between any two numbers the gap is of 10. So 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. So now start counting. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So it means it represents here, which is 4 decimal 56. Clear? आपको in between भी 10 लाइन शो करनी है, and after that you will choose. Now same for this 3 decimal 25. Again we will draw a line. 3 25 है, again with 10 3 decimal 10, 3 decimal 20, 3 decimal 30, 3 decimal 40, 3 decimal 50, 3 decimal 60, 3 decimal 70, 3 decimal 80, 3 decimal 90, and the next will be 4. राइट हम सिर्फ 2 ही नंबर लेंगे, फर्स्ट इंटीग्रल पार्ट जो भी होगा आपका एंड लास्ट द नेक्स्ट पार्ट। नाउ 25, as we know 25 lies between 20 and 30, so we will mark here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and next will be this 2 5, it means here डार्क करो इस पॉइंट को 3 decimal 2 5, right, with the help of arrow also you can show clear how to represent the number on the number line. Now again next 8, so what we have to do, first 8 little with this side, see हम यहाँ पे इसको स्टॉप क्यों नहीं कर सकते बेटा, see here I have stopped it because we are starting from 0, but here we are not starting from 0, हम यहाँ पे 0 से start नहीं कर रहे, that's why I put it arrow here, because any number started from 0 1, so it means you have to put arrow here. Now 8 decimal 1 0, 8 decimal 2 0, 8 decimal 3 0, 8 decimal 4 0, 8 decimal 5 0, 8 decimal 6 0, 8 decimal 7 0, 8 decimal 8 0, 8 decimal 9 0, and the next number will be 9, right? So 32 lies between 30 and 40, 1 2 3 4, so we started from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and last one will be 40, 32 31 32, right, one arrow you will like this, and 8 decimal 3 2. Clear about how to represent the decimal numbers on the number line? You have to just simply look about the integral part. First of all, see अगर यहाँ पे 332 होता, then 100 200 300 400, right, फिर हम इसमें एक्सटेंड करते 10 20 30 40, and then in between them we will arrange the numbers, right? So this is the way to represent the decimal numbers on the number line. Now K2 part is identify which of the following decimal numbers lies to the right of the decimal number 3 decimal 77 number lies to the right of the decimal number 3.77 on a number line is see options are A 2.99, B 3.79, C 3.78 and D 1.25. See beta, they are not saying that choose one number from the given that which lies on the right side. So it means we can choose more than one. So number lies to the right. Decimal this side be the left, right, and this side be the right. left, right. So if 3 decimal 7 is here, just suppose, it means next जो right होंगे वो extend होके होंगे, वो increase होके होंगे, decrease तो नहीं आएंगे ना. So this one no, it can be yes, and this one also no. On a number line is 3 decimal 7 8 and 3 decimal 7 9. Clear? But they are asking about the right side of this. उन्होंने right में ही पूछा है, right of the number line, given number है. So it means right में क्या होते हैं, right में आपके numbers increase होते हैं. On number line also I told you that when you go right side, numbers increase for right, and when you goes to the left, it decrease. क्या होगा, decrease, right? So now K third question is, locate the following pair of decimal numbers on a number line. For each pair, identify which number would lie to the right. From these two, we have to find which number lies to the right. It means firstly we have to draw these numbers on the number line. K third. First A part is 5 decimal 67 and 5 decimal 76. We have to draw both the numbers on the number line. But first of all, out of these two, which number lies left? Sorry, right. See, right में क्या होता है, increase. तो out of these two, the one greater will be lies to the right side. So 5 decimal 76 lie to the right. Clear? Now 5 decimal 67 on a number line. Again we will draw the number line. Integral part 5. So we will draw the number line to 5 and 6. Again 5 decimal 10, 5 decimal 20, 5 decimal 30, 5 decimal 40, 5 decimal 50, 5 decimal 60, 5 decimal 70, 5 decimal 80, 5 decimal 90, and next be 6. Right? Again number क्या है हमारा, 67, which lies between 60 and 70. Again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Count 1 2 3 4. It means 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66 and 67. Right? So it will be here 5 decimal 6 7. Now for same 76, 5 decimal 7 6. Again draw a number line. First will be 5 decimal 10, 5 decimal 20, 5 decimal 30, 5 decimal 40, 5 decimal 50, 5 decimal 60, 5 decimal 70, 5 decimal 80, 5 decimal 90, and this be 6. Right? So now the number lies between 70 and 80, 76, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78 and 79. right? Now 76. After 75, put a dark dot here with arrow 5.76, right? This is the way to represent them. Now B part, 2.3 and 3.2. First of all, again the number lies at the right. So which number lie? 2.3 or 3.2? 3.2 lie to the right. Lie to the right. Now start drawing the number line 2.3. It means between 2 and 3. So 1, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9. You can write 3 here also. You have to draw this number line with the pencil, right? And when you are marking the point, there you can use pen. 2.3 here, put arrow and write 2.3. Now for same 3.2 again, but here you will draw a line to the 3 and 4. 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 and then 4. So it will be 3.2, 3.2, right? Now C part will be, now C part is 9.31 and 9.13. So first of all, which one lies to the right? So which one number lies right? 13 and 31. 31. So 9.31 lie to the right. Right means right side. Right. So now we will represent both the numbers on the number line. Again draw a number line 9.10, 9.20, 9.30, 9.40, 9.50, 9.50, 9.60, 9.70, 80, 9.90 and then 4. Now 31, 30 and 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. That is 31. This one. So this is 9.31. Right? Now 9.13. 9.10, 9.20, 9.30, 9.40, 9.50, 60, 9.70, 9.80, 9.90 and then 4. See 13, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. सी बेटा हमें 13 को किसके बीच में रिप्रेजेंट होगा, 10 एंड 20, बिटवीन दीज टू. सो आप क्या करो, बिटवीन दीज टू यू विल टेक मच मोर स्पेस, लिटल बिट. सी लाइक हेयर आई पुटिंग, राइट. नाउ 13, 1 2 3. So this one is 9.13, right. This is the way to represent the decimal numbers on the number line. Now next, S1, find the missing numbers to complete each series. This is A part, 7.1, 7.2, then 7.4, 7.5, again 3 blanks are there, decimal 9 and blank. So now as the series starts, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 7.4, 7.5, 7.6, 7.7, 7.8, 7.9, and the next will be the 8.0, right. Now B part, 2.10, 2.11, dash, 2.13, dash, dash and dash, and then number is 2.17, dash, 2.19 and dash, right. So after 1 1 what come, 2.12, 2.13, 2.14, 2.15, 2.16, 2.17, 2.18, 2.19 and 2.20, right. So this is your S2 part, which is find the missing numbers. Now S1, S2 part is on a number line, the unit distance between 2 and 3, 2 and 3 divided into 100 equal parts, right. सी बेटा एक नंबर लाइन है, 2 और 3 के बीच में जो यूनिट स्पेस है दैट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू 100. अगर हम यहाँ पे 1 लिखते हैं, हमें इसे 100 से डिवाइड करना है. इट मीन्स यहाँ पे कैसे नंबर आएगा, 2.01, राइट. अगर आप यहाँ पे 1 लिखते हो, सिंपली जस्ट उन्होंने बोला है कि 2 और 3 के बीच में जो भी डिस्टेंस है दैट इज़ डिवाइडेड बाय 100. सो 100 से हम सिर्फ कब डिवाइड कर सकते हैं नंबर्स को, व्हेन इट विल बी लाइक दिस, बिकॉज डाउन साइड टू डिवाइड अ नंबर 100, how many zeros, 2. It means after decimal how many digits we require, 2. So we will put it 01, 02, decimal 03, decimal 04, right. So now the fifth division from 2. So question था fifth division from 2 denotes the decimal number what come here. See, fifth division from 2, decimal 1, decimal 02, decimal 03, decimal 04, and fifth one is 2.05, right. Because they are saying that the unit distance is divided by 100. So again for 100 how many digits we require, 2, right. Now S3 part. On a number line, the unit distance between 3 and 4 is divided into 100 equal parts. Again 3 and 4 divided into 100 equal parts. The first division we have to find. First division before 4 stands for. सी बेटा, फर्स्ट डिवीज़न मीन्स कि बिफोर 4 से पहले अगर हम 100 में डिवाइड करें, इट मीन्स 301, 3.01, 3.02 अप टू 99. सो 4 से पहले क्या आएगा? 3.99. आफ्टर दैट 4 कम्स ना, फर्स्टली 3.99. सो फर्स्ट डिवीज़न बिफोर 4, नॉट आफ्टर, बिफोर इज 3.99. सी इफ आफ्टर 3 होता इट मीन्स 3.01. अगर आप 100 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर रहे हैं, इट मीन्स 1 to 99, बिकॉज 100 पार्ट्स पे तो क्या आ जाएगा आपका 4. सेम इन दिस. सी S2 में आपको फिफ्थ डिवीज़न पूछी थी, S3 में पूछा है कि 4 से जस्ट फर्स्ट डिवीज़न बिफोर 4. इट मीन्स एक डिवीज़न पहले 4 से क्या आएगा? 3.99. राइट. सो दीज आर द 6 questions of S81 exercise. Next 3 we will do tomorrow.